This is a video on a confidence interval for the difference between proportions. The question states 546 of the 780 Democrats surveyed supported a gas tax for high-speed rail transportation, while 221 of the 634 Republicans surveyed supported the tax. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the difference. So the first thing I like to do in these kind of problems is sort out all the numbers and write down what they are in terms of symbols. So in particular, we had 546 of the 780 Democrats supported the tax. This is a yes/no question. So it's the number of yeses based on the total sample size for the Democrats. So X1 is 546, and N1 is 780. 221 of the 634 Republicans supported it. So X2 is equal to 221, and N2 is equal to 634. We want a 95% confidence interval. So I wrote C level, or CL sometimes, is equal to 0.95. So once we have written out all of the important numbers, next we go to our calculator. So here's the LibreText calculator, and we're towards the end. So if I scroll down, we'll see number 19 is two proportions because we want a confidence interval for the difference between two population proportions. So I click on 19, and it asks us to enter the sample sizes and the number of successes. So the sample size for our first sample was 780. And the number of successes for the first sample was 546. For the second sample, those are the Republicans, the sample size was 634. And the number of successes was 221. The confidence level, or CL, was 0.95. We're not doing a hypothesis test, so I don't really care about left tail, right tail, or two tail. So all I have to do is I hit calculate and scroll down a little. And again, Z and P, that's for hypothesis test. I don't care about that. But the lower bound, LB, is about 0.30. And the upper bound, UB, is about 0.40. And there's my confidence interval. So now let's go back and state what we found. So we found the confidence interval from 0.30 to 0.40. I'm ready to state my conclusion. And I can conclude that we are 95% confident that the population of all Democrats are between 30%, 0.30 is 30%, and 40%, 0.40 is 40%, more likely than the population of all Republicans to support a gas tax to pay for high-speed rail transportation. And I'm done with the problem. Thank you for watching this video.